Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use a generative fill for expanding your image. If you want to expand your image, you can also do that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly website, and after going to the website, we need to open the option which is called generative fill, and then we have to upload our image. And after uploading the image, as you can see, has an option for the expand. So we have to click on the expand, and after clicking on the expand, now you have to choose the expand area. For example, I want to on this level, and after that what we have to do, simply we need to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, it will show us the result. So let's wait for a few seconds until it generate the result. So as you can see, now the result is generated. As you can see, if you are not satisfied for the result, you can change it. As you can see, now the result is here. As you can see, if you want the more result, you have to click on the more, and if you want to keep this, you have to click on the keep. If you want to cancel, if you don't want this, you have to click on the cancel. For example, I'm going to delete this, and simply I want the simple version. So let's click on the generate, and how it's generating the simple one. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now the image is generated. As you can see, now the image is expanded without any command, and it looks like a realistic. So in this way, you can expand the image on the Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.